This video demonstrates the Unleashed mobile app using Zero Touch Mesh. Zero Touch allows you to create a mesh link with member APs over the air without first connecting it to the LAN. This makes it faster and simpler to employ mesh by reducing the burden of connecting over Ethernet first. Eliminating the Ethernet connection is more real-world and far simpler to get the network operational quickly. Here, a new mesh AP is trying to join and is pending approval. We can then scan the AP serial number or add it manually. Here we are scanning it. After scanning, it automatically enters the serial number and displays the last 4 digits of the serial number. The approval process is necessary for a security reason, as someone may simply walk into a network with a rogue Ruckus AP and join the network to cause damage. Tap on Approve. Once approved, it will notify you that it was approved successfully. Next, it shows that the AP has been approved. About 5 minutes after approval, the mesh link will be formed, eliminating the plug and unplug of an Ethernet cable to the mesh AP. For additional APs, you can scan the APs one by one or upload a group of serial numbers, then the numbers of those mesh APs can auto-join. As you can see, Zero Touch Mesh is simple.